Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok videos keep stopping. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok videos keep stopping, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list of apps, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to the window of first stop and you will click OK. Then you will click on storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. If you will end all this stuff if it's not working with you, you can update your app on the Play Store to fix that problem on TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.